Making friends as a kid? Easy. You liked the same dinosaur? Boom! You were besties. But now, you're 26. Your coworkers barely speak unless it's about deadlines, and your old group chat is just a birthday calendar. Here's the wild part. Making friends as an adult is still easy, if you stop doing this one thing. You've been tricked into thinking friendship is something that happens to you, like romance in a rom-com or Wi-Fi on a plane. You wait. You wait for a cool coworker to invite you out. You wait for someone at your gym to magically say, "Hey, we should hang out." But they don't, because they're doing the same thing. Everyone's waiting for someone else to make the first move. So here's rule number 1. Stop waiting. Start inviting. You don't need to click. You don't need to have a spark. You don't need to pass some vibe check like it's The Bachelor. Friendship isn't romantic. It's repetitive. Psychologists call it the mere exposure effect. The more you see someone, the more you start to like them. That's it. That's the magic. Friendship is just proximity plus time. If you show up consistently, book club, martial arts, D&D night, you become friends. It's passive bonding, but most adults never get past week 1. Here's a hack. Use the friendship funnel. Step 1, acquaintance exposure. Find a recurring group activity you don't hate. Not a one-off networking event, something regular. Step 2, repetition. Show up, then show up again. Be the person who's always there. Familiarity beats charisma. Step 3, shared vulnerability. Eventually someone will complain about their boss, their dog surgery, or the 2009 heartbreak they never recovered from. That's your moment. You nod, you listen, you share, and boom, emotional trust unlocked. Let's be honest, you might already be doing all this. Still, nothing sticks. Here's what might be going wrong. You're trying to make friends instead of being a friend. If every interaction feels like a job interview, if you're always performing, impressing, calculating, you're not connecting. You're auditioning. Friendship starts when the masks come off. When you say, "I'm tired of pretending I have it together," and someone replies, "Same," it feels weird. You worry you'll seem clingy or desperate, but think of it like this. If someone asked you to hang out, would you think, "Wow, what a loser"? Or would you think, "That's kinda nice"? We all want connection, and the people you're nervous to text, they're probably relieved you broke the silence. So, here's your actual guide to making friends as an adult. Show up somewhere regularly. Stop trying to impress. Be slightly brave with the first message. And most importantly, stop waiting. Friendship isn't a prize you win. It's a thing you build, brick by boring brick. And once it's built, it's easy actually.